Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can calculate a range in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for calculating range, you should have two values, maximum and minimum. So for calculating the maximum values, here we apply a formula is equal max, and after selecting the formula, so we will select the range. So after that, close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see maximum values from these values is calculated. So after that, we will calculate minimum values. So we will apply a formula for calculating the minimum value is equal min, and then select the formula. So after that, select the range and then close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see minimum values is calculated. So for calculating the range, here we will apply a formula. So range formula is that we will subtract minimum value from the maximum values. So here we will apply a formula is equal and select the maximum values and then write a minus. So after that, select the minimum values and then press enter button. So you can see a range is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate a range in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.